Hey there, ladies and gents. We are going to continue on today with our data analysis, and today we're going to be looking at histograms. Now, to be honest with you guys, I'm having a little trouble with Google Sheets, not being able to do the stuff that I need it to do. Um, Normally, we use Excel. So I'm dealing with the district, trying to get them to approve some add-ons so that we can better use Google Sheets, but I haven't heard back. It's just taking longer than I had hoped for. So um, that means you're going to have a shorter assignment today, and I am going to be pushing harder to get an answer from the district office. So we are going to be looking, like I said, at histograms. Now, histograms are different than bar charts in that if you look, there's no space between the bars. Generally, it's for you group data. This is hours of sleep in our class, so nothing's really grouped. It's just 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 hours of sleep. But do notice there is no space in between there because it's representing the data continuously across here. So like I said, it's going to group data. So we could have said to group every 2 hours. So it would have grouped 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 9. But because our data is only dealing with a handful of numbers here, it didn't make a whole lot of sense. So this is the starter file that I gave you guys. It just has two things, gender and hours of sleep. And we're going to go ahead and recreate that chart. This is ultimately what we're going to be making here, showing the hours of sleep. Again, using a histogram, there's no spaces in between each one of these. Make sure you've got your titles and everything is appropriately set up. So here we go. All right. So just make sure that you're inside of your data here. And we are going to go up to Insert Chart. And the default is just to the last chart we were using, which was a scatter chart for me at least. So I'm going to hit the drop down. And I am going to go all the way down. And notice it does have a suggested chart here, a histogram, but I want to show you guys how to get to it down here in case they don't suggest it. Click on histogram. So right now it's a little backwards here. I'm not sure why it's splitting those numbers so strangely as well, because these are all even numbers. So let's go in and take a look here. We're going to go to Customize, and this is actual count and frequency, and this is the number of hours. Oh, I wonder if we could flip these, switch rows and columns. No. Control Z. Control Z. All right. I'm not sure why it set those up that way, but we can fix it. So we're going to go to Customize. We're going to go to Chart and Access. For the title, I want you to go and type in hours of sleep versus gender. I'm not sure why mine picked it up, but hours of sleep. Hours of sleep. So we don't have gender, so it's just going to be hours of sleep. Okay, then horizontal. It shouldn't be gender, it should be, that's right, hours of sleep. Okay, and next we're going to go to vertical, and this is going to be, let's see here. All right. I generally like to center my titles and bold them. All right, so this shows the histogram. Again, I'm not sure why it's picking up these 4.7. Let's go in and take another look here. Chart editor. If we go to customize, histogram. So it's setting the bucket size. Like I said, I can set it to 1. Oh, that's way better. Okay, it was trying to figure out itself. Now, like I said, you can group things. So I could set the bucket size to 2. Now it combined 3 and 4. Then we got 5 and 6, 7 and 8, right? We could even go to 5, but that's going to look really goofy. So I like it at 1. I think it gives us the best display. And then you can see the true chart pattern here. Let's see. I thought I saw something for outlines. Where was it? Chart style, chart border. We went black. No, I didn't get it. Anyway, I was just trying to add a little black border around this thing here just to make those things stick out a bit. All right, so here's a histogram of our hours of sleep. Now, your job is you are going to, and let me go down. There's 2 elements of data in here that we can actually run this histogram on, and it is the height and weight, right? Those are giving us numbers. Everything else is giving us answers to questions, not numbers. So this is what, whoa, sorry about that, you guys. This is what, hand here, oh my goodness. Okay, weird. Oh, this goes so fast. There we go. Histogram of men's weights. So frequency, men's weights in kilograms, histogram of men's weights, and then it shows you the histogram going across, and it is in kilograms. So you're going to do the weight, and you're also going to do the height. Okay? So I want you to create histograms for the men's weight and the men's height. And I want you to copy those charts into a Google Doc. And then I want you to give me a short analysis on what these 2 different histograms showed you. All right, ladies and gents, good luck. And as always, email me with any questions, comments, or concerns.